this little guy. We are going to the doctor because I think he's having an asthma flare-up. So we're gonna go see. Oh, my hairstyle this morning is not the top knot. Anyway, I didn't sleep so well last night because he was coughing and all over the bed. So,
Bad.
it done already?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bad. Hi. You heard that? How you feeling?
It's right now.
I
Choo choo.
did hear that it sounded like a train. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to the doctor today.
No,
I'm going to go see Dr. Brown Bear.
no. We're going to see Auntie Michelle.
Not Auntie Michelle.
Good morning.
Love you.
I'm Eddie. I'm right here.
For once, Daddy wake up for getting everybody ready.
Yes.
Moment in the morning.
Thank you, Daddy. It's because we have to go doctor this morning.
Yeah.
So.
See Atlas stuff there. Atlas apparently want everybody to do the work for him. Atlas, come to my youth. It's time for school. Look at him.
Let's go. Or I'm going to buy that iPad in the morning.
Atlas, come. Don't lose your luxuries. Come. Come, it's time to get in the car.
Let's go.
I want to go to school.
Want you? Are you the Grinch of school? Come. Put on the seatbelt, please.
Why this is happening? Because I went to bed late last night. See that time, please. Every time I go to bed late, and
Yeah.
I have to stay strict on the sleep time, bedtime, this happens. Guys, it has officially happened.
Where shoes?
I can't put on my own shoes and socks.
Come.
I can, but my belly can't. It hurt me. Watch out. Don't laugh.
Young man, this is what marriage is about, okay?
It's true.
So if you're not willing
Don't
to
bother.
do these things,
Thank you.
Right.
No for the shoes.
just don't even bother. Wait, which one of them shoes you know? Which shoes?
They're over there.
Okay.
Oh, guys, I don't know. I just feel like this baby is so much bigger than the others, but you know it's going to be my smallest baby. But her position. No, don't undo the laces.
Then we'll make up should be in the foot if
It just slide in. Let me show you.
No, sir.
No, I'm showing you. Look how easy. Look at this.
No man, I stress you put me
Come
through
on,
right now, man.
Cinderella. Hold on, babes. Wait. Hold on. Wait, you have to go so. And then you have to just put your hand in the thing
Sit
around the
and
back.
listen.
You know
Okay.
there's something there? You know there's something there? Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Next one now. My prince. Stop going, so remember how you could have barely put on your shoes yesterday because you paid up? Tell the people there.
What's this not?
Man, I was to buy Voltaren. I said it.
Mm-hmm.
Some people say Voltaren. You say
Trust me.
Voltaren?
Alright, you know when you get old, when you go your ball game and a beer Bengay smell before the ball game start.
You wicked. I hope your friends hear this. In other news, I have to show you this little thing that Auntie Tessie got for her niecey. Look at this. What is this? What is this? This is a little bikini. When I show Wayne the other day, him not newborn can wear this. Obviously, it's not for when she's a newborn, but isn't that so cute? That's Auntie Tessie.
So thank you, Auntie Lisa. Fun fact, guys, Auntie Lisa has what do you call that? You received them and you did that initial test. She's been with us in the delivery room
ever since.
for all of
From
our
Jackson.
babies.
Yeah.
So my question to you now: are you ready to deliver the girl?
I'm actually looking forward to that. I can't believe I actually then I was like, okay, no, this must be another boy. So when I heard it was a girl, I was like, girl.
I thought about you.
Yes. There's hope. There's hope.
Actually, Lisa has 3 boys,
No,
but
there's
they're
no
big
hope.
boys.
Yeah.
Do you see how she looks like on Crazy to me.
So I'm so looking forward to it.
Yeah. Thanks, Auntie Lisa. Say thanks, Ozzy.
Say thanks, Auntie Lisa.
Mr. No.
There's a no day for you, right, but I
Mr.
still got my
Shy.
high five, so
That's
good, and I
right.
got to smile.
He just said yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Guys, Ozzy weighs
Hey,
40 pounds.
hey,
Hi.
no,
Give me nosy.
no,
Give me a nosy.
hi,
Hello.
no, hello,
Hello.
hi,
Give me nosy.
no,
Kiss them.
hey,
Hi.
We'll meet our first cousin, our 2 first cousins, Shantavia.
Guys, I wish you guys would put up more vlogs each week. I really love it. I leave work on Monday evening just to say, oh my god.
You have something
Wayne
to look
is-
forward
yes,
to.
ready.
Oh man,
It's so
thank you
love
so
it.
much.
I love
Thank
it.
you. Thank you. I appreciate the encouragement.
Thank you.
We appreciate the love,
And
man.
God bless you.
Oh, God bless
Oh my God,
you.
I can't
Thank you
wait
so
to
much.
meet.
I know. Me too.
And give it some more comments now. Give it some more. I was silent cousin them now. Give it some more comments, man. Don't make it look so. Alright, cuz. Later.
Oh, little Mitchell. Oh no. Watch his car. Careful.
Come check out Devon's Bakery so you know what that mean, right? Curry goat patty and that's something then. I don't know what Tami gonna have. Maybe she tried the lobster patty. Yeah. But we're there. Devon's lunch today.
Wayne convinced me to try the lobster patty, but it dear. So I was not about to try it. But he said, let's go for it. You never eat it here yet, so just have it. So I'm going to try it. And a macaroon.
It's there in the sense that it double every other patty, right?
It's very expensive.
So guys, just like literally seconds ago, walking towards the car, and we woke up on
Another first cousin.
today look like an MTM family.
Day again.
And day again, we're bucking up a
It's
whole heap of
MTM
first
week.
cousins. It's MTM week, National MTM week. But so book up our first cousin a while ago, and she said, "Hi guys," and we say hi. She
Very innocently. Hi.
find Pancho yet, Wayne?
Oh.
So you know my shoulder dropped. She said, "I'm so sorry to bring it up, but I just, you know, we're out here concerned, you know, for
No, what did she
Pancho's
say? She
well-being."
said, don't worry. I grew up with cats. He's coming back. In the meantime, I gotta eat this deer patty and see if how I feel about it.
Yo, the patty they have a whole heap of expectation to live up to.
It surely does.
But that's what they're known
at
for
this.
doing now.
I know,
Like some
but
little
still,
starfish though.
but still. And I don't think it's called Brick Oven anymore, you know. I think it's called like Devon House Bakery or
Yeah,
something like that.
yeah, makes
but
sense,
it will
because that's
always
what's
feel
on
like
there.
that to me.
Yeah. Cause
I
of
don't
the
even know. Do you
same-
think it's a curry sauce in here or you think it's like a butter sauce?
You know, say,
You don't
what I
know.
remember of it, I think it might be curry, you know.
I don't think it is.
It's true, mine have the real curry vibes.
That bite never have nothing yet. But hold on. Right number hole.
You want to go back in there?
No, that was just a corner.
Let's miss it. I'm just
And should I
missing.
say yes?
Oh, sorry. Mine is the curry goat, right?
Uh-huh.
I know. Me knows the curry goat patty didn't go from the last time.
Well, it's not a curry sauce. What lobster in there look? Loaded, at least. I don't give it points yet. It's nice. But I really have to be in the mood for it to like buy it again.
Okay.
I like it. The flavor is very good. So, update on the house. All of the electrical materials will be delivered today. They're starting to cut into the walls for electrics. Drywall estimates have been made. Materials should be delivered today also. I'm kind of excited to be leaving, because by the time I come back there will be some progress. Because when I leave, tiling begins, which is crazy because you know, it would be nice to be there for the tiling, but at the same time it would be nice to come back and see a portion of it done. And I know you'll call me and stuff, you know. This is nice.
On the case, man.
Oh,
This is
from
a
DIY.
really good party. Then when I have to step up, it's be like me just have the DIY or the DIY all my life and not go in a contractor man work.
Update on Ozzy Boozy. Ozzy is showing early signs of asthma, just like his brothers. Wait, does it look like a patch of my hair is like missing here, or is it going grey?
One grey streak in there.
So why it look like it missing so?
You're not really missing, but
Maybe it's just for me. Oh, it's because I have this thing at the front. It's like a little colic.
you need to start the edges. Yeah? You know, little twirly them. Everybody does it.
Tami needs to lay her edges, man. It's true.
Seth would need Tami back on the edge.
Oh my god, I can't wait to lay.
That's an inside joke.
I can't wait to lay little mama's edges. Ooh!
Oh man.
Woo!
Oh man. How you do it? With like
Yeah, but
toothbrush?
like a brush. It's a special like a brush you use.
Special brush.
Yeah.
I'm sure you have some
You
people
can
who
use that too.
toothbrush.
Sometimes I'll use a toothbrush and you can just...
And that's it. But how them so skill with it?
Cause you have to have a skill.
You have to have skill in it?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm not tell a lie.
Cause look on when Tessie Desire here.
I will not tell any lie. I lift my hat to the hairdressers who do these elaborate hairstyles. That is nothing short of
Genius.
artistry. Genius. When you see the plot them and the something them and the thing them, there's nothing that them couldn't do in a art, you know. Those hairstylists out there, you know, and hairdressers out there, you know. God know, big respect to all of them. Whether in a the ghetto, whether in a uptown, whether in a parlor, whether in a house back. Nails to. Brother, this is like
it's
heights
crazy.
of creativity
It's crazy.
and intricacy and just big up on yourself. Don't bother make nobody try reduce anything like a some, you know what I mean?
Yeah, by the way, it's
a big works.
Big works.
A big works. To make those neat cornrows, those this, that,
Yeah,
that.
I try cornrow. Anybody here yet?
Me I forgot learn.
Let me tell you.
Now I forgot learn, you know, because when you fly out now,
But guys,
and
you
my
know,
little daughter there with me. No, me I forgot plot and cane row and do the dirt. And every time Auntie Tessie can't help me. Me I forgot learn it
I
myself.
mean, I know how MoMo stay with hair. I gotta tell you the truth. She's good with her own hair.
Later I go plait here and I see how me did.
Yeah, you can try. Me I love see that.
I go try.
I have faith in you.
With daughter here now go exact like yours. We go more like the boys
She's
them.
gonna have curls.
Yeah.
All I ever want from my
But
boy
I go
life.
study her here and know how to deal with it.
When do you know that I got 7 perms before I was 13? Terry, same Terry when I meet. I used to stop perm my hair 7 times and not 1 time my hair curled. Because all I ever wanted was curly hair. Back to Ozzy. Ozzy is, as we suspected, showing early signs of possibly being asthmatic.
Yeah, them asthmatic.
Yes.
Me was asthmatic, so.
Gio, we went through this with Gio. Remember the amount of nights we went to hospital with Gio in? Jeez,
I check so every person in the
Gio-
world that have asthma.
Gio made me learn about asthma. Gio is a child who taught me everything about asthma because of everything I had to go through with him. It's because of him why I owned a nebulizer, all that stuff. Then Jackson come, same thing. Then Atlas come, same thing. And now us. So, yes, it is just a part of their life and we know what to do, thank God. And so we do what we have to do for him. the change of environment doesn't really help for him. The trees are in bloom. It's a lot. So he's just having a little what's interesting about Ozzy Boozy is that he wasn't having the runny nose, which normally the boys do. Glad I took him to the doctor just to know what's up. Take a so that can be your last bite. Take a bite of this. You want that to be the final taste. Trust me.
Well, I'm still waiting. Remember to clear my palate. I'm not in a patient. Remember with them. Big woman.
Wayne.
Packing.
Wayne.
I'm an auntie. I'm an auntie. It's one of my mother's closest friends.
Oh my God. She look good.
It was just impulsive. I just looked up. I didn't scan. It was just like in my face.
Oh my God, that's so funny.
That's the funniest thing.
You're the worst.
I forgot to tell mommy. So mommy, you know hear what happened today?
Oh my God.
So today now, we sit down in Devon House parking lot, right? So me I eat a curry patty and Tami I eat a lobster patty, and we just chill. So eventually now, I see somebody walk past the car. So the lady will walk past the car and I said, "Gee, what a big woman bumper, firmer up there." When I really look good, cause you know said she have a mask now and I walk and whatever, and the first thing me see at the bumper. When I look good, can you guess is which one of your friends? My close auntie?
With a bumper.
One piece of bumper. I'm an auntie.
Here, have mercy. Have mercy. That's what we
Listen to the man. She gonna die when she see the video. Cause remember me tell you, I was just caught in the moment.
You saw his face, right?
Yes.
No sir, trust me. So what you say, you wanna follow me go for the house for lock up?
Yeah, I want ice cream.
When you sleep, you like had a nice dream about ice cream.
When I don't know what me do, but me tell you, so me ask me sleep go away. Oh wow, I just got pictures of the house. Yeah, I want to go up there. Wow.
Okay, so whatever Tami and baby girl want, them get. What's them big yarn there? Alright, so heading up to the house. I buy a treat for Pepper, you know, so I go on. I give Pepper his treat that I bought. Her treat.
Why is it that in Jamaica every cat is a girl and every dog is a boy?
Yeah, cause
Pancho is actually a boy.
Yeah, that's something there.
A male cat, and Pepper is a female dog.
Hi, Dion.
Hey, Papa.
Hey, Papa.
Hey, Papa Tuesday.
Hey, Papa Doody.
Hey, Tuesday.
Hi, Doody.
You giving MTM up close and personal in that Julie mouth. That Julie mouth.
Julie mouth.
Underarm. Zap. Look at that underarm. Look at that underarm. Stop. Pancho, come here. Come, Pancho. Pancho. You're frightening, you know, Pancho. Come here. Shh. Pancho. Hi. Pancho. You frighten me. Look here to me, puss. Come here, Pancho. Hi, Pancho. You're back. Where were you? You gonna look on the road? Huh? Pancho, come and eat some food. Guys, oh my goodness. Guys, here Pancho. I just came home, just finished football, so I come to lock up the house and check up on Pepper. And I hear Pancho come back. Thanks to everybody in the comment section who were like, yo, don't worry. I just the noise, I just the disruption. Pancho is back, people. It's like him knows somebody there, you know. Him spot the car or something. And you know, so me in the house, they call and I say, Pancho, I go upstairs, go up on the balcony, I go out boat and I come down. Lo and behold, Pancho is here waiting on me. Wow. Feel good, people. Come, Pancho, see food there. Jeez, the place dark, people, the place dark.
Oh my God! Pancho came home! He's there!
Pancho.
Did you take him to his food?
Yes. Come back.
Yay!
Pancho is back. Pancho is back, guys.